After a lapse of almost 2 weeks, I have come again with a new topic, that is problem related to area and perimeter. That also included in the second chapter, linear equation in two variables. Now this is the question. The perimeter of a rectangular swimming pool is 154 meter. It is a perimeter. Its length is 2 meter more than twice its breadth. Thus we can say let the breadth be x meter. So the length would be two meter more than twice its breadth. Twice, that means 2x plus 2 meter. What are the length and breadth of the pool? Okay, now we have area of the pool, rectangular pool, equal to 154. No, sorry, area, perimeter it is. Perimeter. Perimeter of the rectangular pool equal to 154 meter. Now being it is rectangular, perimeter is 2 length plus breadth equal to 154. Now what would be the length? Now we can say length plus breadth equal to 77 divided 154 divided by 2. Now length 2x plus 2 plus breadth is x equal to 77. Now 3x equal to 75, x equal to 25 meter. Thus breadth equal to 25 meter, length would be 2 into 25, 50 plus 2, 52 meter. This is the answer. Now this is the second question. The length and breadth of the plot are in the ratio 11:4. At the rate of rupees 100 per meter, it will cost of the village panchayat rupees 75,000 to fence the plot. What are the dimensions of the plot? Okay, let the length of the plot be equal to 11x and the breadth equal to 4x. Now here, what about perimeter? How can we solve it? Now here one clue is there. This clue is for rupees 100 will cost equal to 1 meter fencing. Rupees 1 will cost 1 by 100 meter fencing. So rupees 75,000 will cost 1 by 100 into 75,000. That means it comes to 750. This will be the perimeter. Now perimeter of the plot equal to 750. Now 2 length plus breadth is the formula for perimeter of a rectangular plot. That means 750. Here length plus breadth equal to 375. Length plus breadth. Now length is 11x plus 4x equal to 370 plus 4, that is 15, x equal to 375, x equal to 375 divided by 15, 25. So length equal to 11 into 25. That means 25 5 to 275 meter, and breadth equal to 4 into 25, that means 100 meter. Okay, this is the third question. The length of the rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4 centimeter. Let here we can say original rectangle. Length equal to, first of all, breadth. Length of the rectangle exceeds its breadth by 4. That means x centimeter. Length equal to x plus 4 centimeter. Area equal to length into breadth. Length x plus 4 into x equal to x square plus 4x square centimeter. This is the original rectangle area. Now come to the second, new rectangle. if the length and breadth are each increased by 3 centimeter, new rectangle L1 equal to x plus 4 plus 3 equal to x plus 7 centimeter, breadth 1 x plus 3 centimeter, area would be length into breadth L1 into B1, L1 x plus 7 into x plus 3, x square plus 10x plus 21. Now condition, as per condition, the area of the new rectangle will be 81 centimeter more than that of the given rectangle. So the new rectangle x square plus 10x plus 21 equal to x square plus 4x plus 81 as per condition. Now here we can cancel x square, both are positive. So we get 10x plus 21 equal to, or we can say 10x minus 4x equal to 81 minus 21. That means 6x equal to 60, x equal to 10. Thus the original length is x, original length equal to 10 plus 4, 14 centimeter, or breadth equal to 10 centimeter. This is the answer. Now this is the fourth question. Perimeter of a rectangle is 240 centimeter. If its length is decreased by 10% and breadth is increased by 20%, we get the same perimeter. Find the length and breadth of the rectangle. Which rectangle? That is the original rectangle. Now how will you solve? First of all, find out the formula of rectangle, perimeter of the rectangle. Now perimeter of the original rectangle equal to 2 length plus breadth. Here it is given 240. So 240 equal to 2 length plus breadth. This is first equation. Now perimeter of the new rectangle. Perimeter of the new rectangle. Two length plus breadth. Now here don't write length plus breadth. Here condition is given. That means 2 original length is L, or it is decreased by 10%, 10 divided by 100 L, to length plus breadth. Breadth is increased by 20%, that means 20 divided by 100 breadth. Now, or we get the same perimeter, so we can write 240 again. Now this is the second equation. According to the question, we get the same perimeter. So 240 equal to this and 240 equal to this. We can equate these two equations, this and this. तो यहाँ पे होगा 2, लेंथ क्या होगा 100 माइनस 10, 90 डिवाइडेड बाई 100 L, प्लस ब्रेड्थ 100 प्लस 20, 120 divided by 100 breadth, equal to 2 length plus breadth. We can cancel these two from both sides. Now 9 by 10 length plus 12 by 10 breadth equal to length plus breadth. Here 9L plus 12 breadth equal to 10 length plus breadth. This LCM would be 10. 10 will go to this side. Now here, now L and B, here also L and B. How can we solve it? Here we will make it linear equation in two variable like this. 240 equal to 2 length plus breadth, 120 equal to length plus breadth, so length equal to 120 minus breadth equal to length. Put this value here. 9 into length 120 minus breadth plus 12 breadth equal to 10, length equal to 120 minus breadth plus breadth. Length plus breadth. Now we can cancel this breadth and breadth, positive and negative. Multiply 1080 minus 9b plus 12b equal to 1200. Okay. Now here 3b equal to 1200 minus 1080. Now 3b equal to 0 to 120. Now B equal to 40. B means breadth. So original breadth will come, original breadth equal to 40 centimeter. I don't remember the question. 40, and length would be would be 120 minus breadth equal to 80 centimeter. This is the answer. This is your fifth question. The length of a rectangle exceeds its breadth by 5 centimeter. If length and breadth each is increased by 5 centimeter, the area of the new rectangle will be 450 square centimeter more than that of the given rectangle. Find the dimensions of the given rectangle, that means original rectangle. Now we can, first of all, length of the original, length of the original rectangle. Now we can write original rectangle. A rectangle. Breadth B equal to x centimeter. Length L equal to x plus 5 centimeter. Exceeds means more. Now area, talking about area, so area would be length into breadth. Now length is x plus 5 into x, that means x square plus 5x. ये है स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. न्यू रेक्टेंगल, न्यू रेक्टेंगल. Here breadth B1 equal to, if the length and breadth is increased by 5 centimeter, that means x plus 5 centimeter. Length equal to x plus 5, this plus 5, or x plus 5 plus 5, that means x plus 10 centimeter. Area, same formula, length into breadth, that means length is x plus 10 into breadth x plus 5 equal to x square, 5 plus 10 15, x plus 50. Area, this is the 1 and this is the 2. ये आपका स्क्वायर सेंटीमीटर. This is the second equation. The area of the new rectangle will be 250 square centimeter more than that of the given rectangle as per condition. Now, this question, now x square plus 15x plus 50 equal to x square, we can write here. X square plus 15x plus 50 equal to x square plus 5x plus 250. Now from both sides we can cancel x square, both are positive. So 15x minus 5x equal to 250 minus 50, that means 10x equal to 200. X obviously would be 20. Now x equal to, therefore x equal to 20. Now the original, here we have been asked to find out the dimension of the original rectangle. Now breadth would be x, that means 20 centimeter. Breadth equal to 20 centimeter and length equal to 20 plus 5, 25 centimeter. This is the answer. Very easy questions. And it is the last question for this topic, area and perimeter. Now, the area of a square field is 60025 meter square. A man cycles along its boundary at 18 km per hour. In how much time will he return to the starting point? Now, in this question, I will show you 4 methods to find out the result. Now one by one, just look at the question. Here square field, area of the square field equal to 60025 meter square. Now being it is square, formula is side square. Side square equal to 60025. Now side square is 60025. We have to find the value of side only. Now how will you solve it? First of all, first method is by the method of prime factorization method. Method 1. Prime factorization method. By prime factorization method आपको क्या करना है, साइड इंटू साइड इक्वल टू 5 into 5 into 7, 7 into 7 into 7. Now we can write 5 into 7 into 7. 5 into 7 into 7. Equally we have taken. Now this comes to 245. 245. Now side equal to 245 meter. Each side of the square is 245 meter. This is the method 1. Now I will show you second method, that is square root method. Now it is the second method. By square root. By square root method. How will you do? Let side be x, or side, keep it as usual. Side equal to under root, being it square, it will be under root 60025. Now 5 into 5 into 7 into 7 into 7 into 7. Now take 5, इस पेयर से एक लो, इस पेयर से एक ले रहा हूँ 7, और इस पेयर से एक लेता हूँ 245 meter. This is the second method, by square root method. Now I am showing you third method. This is the third method, by long division method. Now how will you do? 60025. Take pair from right side. Now in this case, जैसे हम डिवीजन में करते हैं 2 1 जा 2 2 3 जा, यहाँ पे सिर्फ स्क्वायर चलेगा. 2 2 जा 4, 3 3 जा 9, 4 4 जा 16, 5 5 जा 25, इसमें स्क्वायर चलेगा. यहाँ पे 6 है, that means 2 2 जा 4, we can write 4, carry forward is 2. Now डिवीजन में सिर्फ एक कैरी फॉरवर्ड होता है, यहाँ पे डबल होगा, 00. नाउ नेक्स्ट स्टेप, इसका डबल कर दो 4, और मैं 4 से कर सकता हूँ 176 24. Now next 25, this will double again, that means 48. Being here is 5, we can try for 5. 2 4 2 5. That means it comes 245. The answer will be 245 meter. This is the third method, by long division method. You will come across this method in chapter square root. This is the fourth and the last method, that is self made method. ये मेथड बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट है, किसी बुक में नहीं मिलेगा, सिर्फ आपको मैं सिखा रहा हूँ, बट आप किसी को मत सिखाना, क्योंकि जब आप भूल जाओगे तो दुनिया को पता लग जाएगा, तो वो आगे बढ़ जाएगा, आप पीछे रह जाओगे. सो इट इज़ माई रिक्वेस्ट, डोंट disclose it to anyone. Now how will you do? 6 0 0 2 5. इसको इस तरह बाइफर्केट कर लो. Now 25 we get 5 into 5 और 600 को कैसे लिख सकते हैं? 600 का नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर क्या है? दैट इज 576 which is 24 स्क्वायर. तो 576 600 minus 576 रिमाइंडर विल बी 24. ठीक है. अब 576 मीन्स 24 स्क्वायर प्लस 24. नाउ आपको क्या करना है? इसमें से एक लो, ये एक पेयर है, इस पेयर से सिर्फ 5 लो और इस पेयर से 24 लो. आई एम अगेन रिपीटिंग दिस वन. इसको बाइफर्केट कर लेते हैं. 25 5 into 5 और इसका नियरेस्ट स्क्वायर नंबर इज 576 which is 24th square. तो नाउ यू कैन राइट 576 प्लस रिमाइंडर 24. सो 24 स्क्वायर प्लस 24. इस पेयर से 5 ले लो और इस पेयर से हम 24 ले लेते हैं. दैट इज आंसर. So this is the problems related to area and perimeter. I will come in the next episode with miscellaneous problem regarding linear equation into one variable. After that, I will take up another new chapter, that is अंडरस्टैंडिंग क्वाड्रिलेटरल. तो अब तक के लिए सबको गुड विशेस.